Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2020 Chevrolet Silverado. The Silverado is featured in the RST trim and is a white paint finish. It includes features such as premium heated front bucket seats, a backup camera with adaptive and hitch guidelines, our black assist steps, black alloy wheels, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a trailer tow package with an integrated trailer brake controller and locking rear differential. Starting off in the front of our vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, below are powered outside mirrors, as well as power window controls and our rear window lock. In the bottom of the door, we have some additional storage, as well as our Bose speaker. Moving inside, just to the left of our steering wheel, at the top, we have our tow haul mode, as well as our drive mode select. Below it, we have all of our lighting controls, including our in-bed lighting and display cluster lighting. Down the side of the driver's seat is our power controls. We can also see the seat here, finished in our jet black cloth and heated in the front of the vehicle. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster with a digital information system in the center. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel is our cruise settings, as well as our heated steering wheel button. The right-hand side of the steering wheel has all of our hands-free on the left and our controls for our display cluster information on the right. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system with our AM/FM audio, an available Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as trailering assist. If we swipe to the right, we can also see our Sirius XM, Amazon Alexa, Spotify, our backup camera with our adaptive guidelines, hitch guidelines, and a hitch view. If we swipe to the right one more time, we also can see we have Chevrolet Maps. Below it are some additional controls if we don't want to always be using the touchscreen. Then below the controls, we have our dual zone front climate control with a front and rear defroster. Heated seats are below either side's temperature knob. Just to the left of that is our push to start engine button. Then across the bottom, our auto stop start, power tailgate button, our hazard lights, traction control, as well as our switch for our 115 volt plugs. Then we have our integrated trailer brake controller, a USB-C, USB, 12 volt and 115 volt plug. Some storage is below that, and we can also see our key fob here. At the top is our locks and unlocks, our remote start, as well as our power tailgate and alarm systems. Then we have our two cup holders with storage, center console with some storage on top, as well as deep storage and a storage tray inside. On the front is an SD slot, a USB-C, USB, and auxiliary plug. Moving to our passenger seat, we can see it's the same black cloth as what was featured in our driver's seat and is also heated. Then above our rear view mirror, we have our OnStar settings, rear check reminder, our lighting controls, the controls for our power sliding third rear window, and lastly, a universal garage door opener. Now walking down the side of the Silverado, moving down to our front tire and rim, we can see that we have a black alloy finish with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap in black. Moving up, we have black finishes on our outside mirrors, black assist step across the bottom, as well as white door handles. On the back of the vehicle, we have our corner steps. All the way at the back, we can see our Silverado badging, as well as our RST badging and Chevrolet badging. The bottom is our trailer hitch with our pin connectors. We have a powered tailgate, and on the left-hand side is our backup camera. You can simply open the back by hitting the button in the center of our tailgate. Inside the bed, we have in-bed lighting, 115 volt plug, and cable tie-downs on both the front and the back of the bed on either side. And then across the bottom, we have a spray-on bed liner. Moving into the back of our vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our large Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have a storage compartment in the back of the driver as well as the passenger seat. Between the two front seats, we have two cup holders in the back of our center console. Below it, we can see our two vents, a USB-C, USB, and 12-volt plug. Move into the seats in the second row. We can see they are all finished in our jet black cloth. Behind the center seat, we have a third power sliding rear window. In the center seat, we have 2 more cup holders, as well as some storage. In the back of either of the outboard seats, we have storage compartments in the back. And then lifting up on the bottom of the seats to lift them up, we have more storage underneath and a 60/40 folding split. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.